Welcome back to E-Green Channel, Gazpacho, a word that instantly brings to mind the vibrant and sunny landscapes of Spain. It's a word that conjures up images of sunny Spain with its warm climate and rich culinary traditions. This chilled soup is a true taste of Andalusia, a region known for its passionate culture and flavorful cuisine. Imagine sitting at a table under the Andalusian sun, surrounded by friends and family. A gentle breeze is blowing, carrying with it the scents of fresh vegetables and herbs. You take a sip of gazpacho. Ah, refreshing. The cool, tangy flavors dance on your tongue, providing a perfect respite from the heat. Gazpacho has a long history, deeply rooted in the traditions of the Mediterranean. It's been around for centuries, evolving from a humble peasant dish to a celebrated culinary delight. People in the Mediterranean have enjoyed it for ages, passing down recipes through generations. The soup's roots are humble, originating as a way to make use of leftover bread and ripe vegetables. It was a way to use up ripe tomatoes, bread, and other garden vegetables, creating a nutritious and delicious meal. Today, gazpacho is a culinary star, featured in both fine dining restaurants and home kitchens. It's served in homes and restaurants, enjoyed by people of all ages. People love its vibrant flavors, a perfect blend of fresh vegetables and aromatic herbs, and its cooling effect on a hot day, making it an ideal dish for summer. Let's dive into the world of gazpacho, discover its rich history, learn how to make it, and savor the taste of Andalusia in every spoonful. Gazpacho is a healthy choice. It's packed with nutrients. Tomatoes are the star ingredient. They're full of vitamins, like vitamin C and lycopene. Cucumbers add a refreshing crunch. They're hydrating too. Peppers bring a bit of sweetness and a touch of heat. Garlic adds a savory note. Gazpacho is naturally low in calories. It's a light and satisfying meal, perfect for a hot day, or a healthy lunch or dinner option. Making gazpacho is easy. It's all about fresh ingredients and a bit of blending magic. The base is simple: ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, sweet peppers, a touch of garlic. These ingredients are blended together until smooth and creamy. Olive oil adds richness. Vinegar provides a tangy kick. Salt and pepper season the soup. The beauty of gazpacho is its versatility. You can adjust the flavors to your liking. Want more heat? Add a bit of jalapeno. Prefer a milder flavor? Skip the chili altogether. Ready to make your own gazpacho? It's simple. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, and green bell peppers. Don't forget a clove of garlic. Make sure your vegetables are fresh for the best flavor. Chop the vegetables roughly into chunks. This doesn't have to be perfect since they'll be blended later. Then, toss all the chopped vegetables into a blender. Ensure your blender is large enough to hold all the ingredients comfortably. Add a generous splash of olive oil. This will give your gazpacho a rich, smooth texture. Next, add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. This adds a tangy kick that balances the flavors beautifully. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. You can always adjust the seasoning later, so start with a small amount. Blend the mixture until it's smooth and creamy. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. The smoother, the better. Taste the gazpacho and adjust the seasonings if needed. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add a bit of water. Add water gradually. blending in between until you reach your desired consistency. Once you're happy with the consistency and flavor, transfer the gazpacho to a bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Chilling helps the flavors meld together, making it even more delicious. Section 5. Texture is key. Smooth or chunky? Gazpacho is all about personal preference. The texture of your gazpacho can completely change the eating experience. Some like it silky smooth, almost like a refreshing drink, while others prefer a bit of texture, enjoying the crunch of fresh vegetables. If you like it chunky, don't blend the soup for too long. Just a few pulses in the blender will do the trick. You can also reserve some chopped vegetables and add them to the soup just before serving. This not only adds texture, but also enhances the flavor. This will give it a nice crunch, making each bite a delightful experience. For a smoother gazpacho, pass the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve. This step is crucial for achieving that silky texture. This will remove any seeds or skins, leaving you with a perfectly smooth and creamy soup. The result? A velvety smooth and refreshing soup that glides over your palate, perfect for a hot summer day. Whether you prefer it smooth or chunky, gazpacho is a versatile dish that can be tailored to your liking. Section 6. Fruity twists. Exploring gazpacho variations. Gazpacho is a blank canvas for creativity. You can add different ingredients to create unique and delicious variations. One popular option is adding fruit. Watermelon gazpacho is a summer favorite. It's sweet and refreshing. Simply blend watermelon chunks with the traditional gazpacho ingredients. Other fruits that work well include strawberries. Other fruits that work well include peaches. Other fruits that work well include mangoes. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. Section 7. Gazpacho. Your summer savior. Gazpacho is the ultimate summer soup. It's cool and refreshing, perfect for hot days when you don't want to cook. Serve gazpacho in chilled bowls, garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of freshly chopped herbs like parsley or basil. You can also serve gazpacho as an appetizer. Pour it into small glasses and top with a dollop of crème fraîche or a few croutons. Section 8. A taste of sunshine anytime. Gazpacho is a taste of sunshine. It's a reminder of long summer days, but you can enjoy it year-round. Make a big batch of gazpacho and store it in the fridge. It will keep for a few days, perfect for a quick and easy meal. You can also freeze gazpacho. Just thaw it overnight in the fridge and blend it again before serving. It's a taste of summer anytime you need it. Section 9. Gazpacho. A culinary adventure. Gazpacho is more than just a soup. It's a culinary adventure, a celebration of fresh ingredients and the flavors of the Mediterranean. So why not give it a try? Grab some ripe tomatoes and get blending. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this delicious and refreshing soup. Gazpacho is a journey for your taste buds, a taste of sunshine in every spoonful. Enjoy. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.